Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos.
In our class, we start with the smile. Our teacher greets us in the morning. Good morning. With pencils ready and books in hand, we listen and learn together. We stand. Our teacher shows us how to read and write. She says, mistakes are how we grow. Keep trying, soon you know He helps us solve each tricky task. In math, we contended things by dotting art. We color with the light, answers filled with wonders galore. Says we laugh, run, and play. Says we laugh, run, and play. Our teacher shows us how to be kind and always keep others in mind. Help your friends out, don't be shy, together. When the bell rings, it's time to go, but there's still so much more to know. Hear you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.